Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now we're recording a bunch of Steam tutorials on our channel so you can check those out, but today we're covering how to redeem Steam gift card. Now basically what you want to do is, as you can see right here, you want to go to store.steampower.com. I will show you in a second how you can reach this particular link, and you need to sign in if you aren't already into the Steam. Now you will need to create a Steam account if you don't have one already. Once you logged in into Steam, you can enter your unique wallet code that you received into your Steam wallet code field, and then click continue to redeem the credit onto your account. Now, as you can see, if you have never used Steam credit or wallet credit on your account, you may be prompted to enter your current address to determine the correct currency. And that's pretty much it. So how can you do that? You basically go here, how to redeem Steam gift card. Just type in Google, and you will need to go here to store.steampower.com account redeem WA. It will say something like this. So just click here, and as you can see here, you will be able to either create your account or sign in into your existing account. And from here, you'll just be able to put up the code, and that's pretty much it, right? You will be ready to go. Now, obviously, redeeming a Steam gift card, you purchase it probably on your web store somewhere, or maybe in your local area, and you can just go and copy the code from the card to your wallet, and that's pretty much it. You will be able to redeem it really successfully. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. We will see you in the next video.